टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया। लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया। गिरता हुआ वो आसमां से आके गिरा जमीन पर। ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल ही थे, वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। Hi, I am Shubhankar Datta. I am a musician, a singer and an activist. But right now, people know me by my identity as a doctor. I work in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences as a junior resident, better known to you all as AIIMS New Delhi. COVID has struck a huge blow to all of us. I am yet to find a person who has not lost a dear one in this pandemic, especially in the second wave. There was a time when there was absolute mayhem here. Even we doctors were not really sure that we would be getting a bed if we ever needed it. As the second wave peaked, a huge number of residents were put on duties in the COVID wards. The hours of service in the second wave were much more, and the duties were much more hectic than the first wave. There were a lot of us who literally had mental breakdowns because of the unexpected workload and the stress which the second wave brought along with it. I remember working in the COVID ward one day, and a patient overheard me telling the nursing officer that I had accidentally skipped my dinner. That patient came to me after some time and gave me a chocolate from her bag. I could not eat that because I was in my PPE, but you know, in that instance, all my exhaustion and my fatigue just disappeared. Since the second wave came down a bit, I went home to Kolkata to meet my family. मैं फैमिली से मिल पाया and मम्मी के हाथ का गरम खाना खा पाया. I really wished I could have stayed there a bit longer than a couple days. And we all deserve that, don't you think? Time with family, a little vacation. But not everyone is always so lucky. We have a lot of patients relying on us. Today, we are celebrating Doctor's Day. But do we really know what it means? Unfortunately, not many people do. In the past few months, we have seen healthcare workers and doctors being at the receiving end of the anger and frustration of a lot of patients and their families. Hospitals are places where a lot of people in distress come. They come with a lot of hope and expectations. We try our best to save each and every life possible. I am yet to see any doctor, believe me, who intentionally harms his or her patient. Sometimes we do fail to save a critical patient despite trying our level best. And yes, we do understand the grief which each patient's family goes through when they lose their own. Today, doctors all across our country are observing Swasth Satyagraha on Doctor's Day in demand for better healthcare system for all our countrymen. So please have faith in us and stand along with us, because availability of affordable and quality healthcare is your right and a safe working environment is ours. हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
We are truthful, unafraid and independent because of you. Now you can help our reporting from the ground. Go to thequint.com, click Become a Member tab Choose a plan and pay because the truth is worth it.